Hi y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have two hauls. I have an Amazon haul, which is another stamping plate from Born Pretty, and it's a cancer ribbons that I've been looking for. And of course I already opened it and I've already used it, so I did a couple of designs. And the other haul is I got a package today from Clear Jelly Stamper. And I'm going to unbox it with you. So, I've already cut it open, but I haven't actually opened it yet because I can only open with one hand. So, let's see if I can get this open. Let's play. Oh boy. Thank you. Having a little issue here. There we go. We got it. So, here we go. This is what it comes in. I had placed an order for some plates and some other little odds and ends that I need. Ooh, look at how pretty the box is. I love it. And the packaging. Look at the packaging. Oh, it is so nice. Oh, wow. Well, let's take this off. And let's get it inside. I'm itching. Okay. Alrighty. Here's all my stuff that I got. I ordered some replacement tips. I got 2 of them. So this is my replacement tips. Ooh, I'm so excited. I love these. Alrighty. And this little doodad, this little lovely little box that I like so much, so wonderful packaged, is, oh, my hollow polishes. Ooh, look at how pretty. Oh, I love them. That's my hollow to go with the rest of my others. And we have another one down here. And this here is my Victorian colors. Ooh, look at how pretty those are. Ooh, I love them. And then I went and got 2 mats. One for me and one for my daughter, because she likes to stamp too. Whoops, that one's upside down. And they have 2 different style mats on there, and I got one of each. That's why there's 1, 2. So, I'll be opening them up. And then I went and got, oh, okay, this one here is the French brush. I'm going to try and open this. Okay. There's my French brush. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wow. That's a detail brush. Oh! Wait a minute. Here it is, on the other side. There it is. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Oh. Okay. Those are so pretty, and I like the little jewels in there. Look at how pretty those are. How they sparkle. Alrighty. And this one here, if I can get it open with one hand. got it. And this here is my cleanup brush. Ooh, look at the detail on that. Little sparklies. Ooh. And then all the gems down in the bottom. And this is what it looks like. There's my cleanup brush. Ooh, I love it. I love it. Now, get these all closed up. Oops. Okay. Alrighty, but those are my brushes that I wanted. So, and then I got 4 bottles of nail polish, 2 of each of the no smear and base coat. Let's see which one's which. Let me see if I can get these open. Here we go. Alright. This here is, I'm assuming, is the stamping polish. It doesn't say which is which. Huh. Huh. They come in these cute little boxes. I don't see anything on here where it says which is which. It just says 5 free stamping polishes. And clear jelly stamper. The boxes are nice. Love the packaging. I'm assuming this must be the base coat. It's a little watery. Ah, base coat. I found where it's at. It's right on the bottom. Base coat. That must be the top coat. The no smear. Yep, that's a base coat. So these 2 are the base coat, and these 2 are the no smear. I'm gonna give those a try and see how those work. Then I got 4 more plates. I needed Treasures of the Sea. Look at how beautiful those are. Love them. Then I got Susie's plate, the Victorian, which I had to have because I love Victorian stuff. And there they are. Oh, look at all the cute designs on there. I'm going to have fun with these. Then I got the steampunk. I had to have that one. And there's the card on the back, which is upside down. Sorry, guys. Let me see. There we go. Look at all those cute. Love those. That's going to be fun to make. And then here's the front. I love the little cards that come with those. Those are so nice. And then I got my sweet swirls. This one here, I had to wait for a while because when I went to go and place my order, it was sold out, so I waited until it came back in. So, it came back in and I placed my order. Look at that. I love those cards. They give you nice details and ideas and color combos, and those are nice. And then, in my surprise, I got a gift from Debbie. Thank you very much, Debbie and her staff. I got me 2 more plates and a little message. Thank you for your order. Gift for you. Thank you so much, Debbie and staff. I got, let's see if I can, oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, it's the party one. Oh, wow. Oh, thank you. I got a birthday coming up. Guess who's getting a birthday, Nanny? Oh, look at how pretty those are. Oh, thank you. I'm going to take this off so y'all can see the plate. Oh, my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the love on there. Oh, party. Ice cream cones. Little bows. Oh, hats. Oh, man, this is an awesome plate. Ooh, look at all the little sparklies. Oh, those are so nice. And little wands. Oh, I'm going to have fun with that one. Oh, thank you, Debbie. I love it. Oh, it is beautiful. Let's see what the other one is. Not sure what this one is. It's ballerina. I don't know the name of this plate. I don't even... It is gorgeous, though. Ooh. I love that. Little ballerina. I'm going to have to go on the website and see what the name of this plate is. I have no clue what this is, but it is gorgeous. I'll have to give you guys an update on this one. Wow. I'm going to have to go on the website and see what the name of this one is. It is CJS75. I'll have to go on the website and check this out and see what the name of this one is. It's a cute little plate. Love the music notes, the ballerinas. Oh, that one is so nice. Little crown. Little ballerina slippers. Ballet, dancer. Oh, it's got some, oh, this is really nice plate. Oh, that one looks like that's going to be a beautiful. Ooh, I can come up with some pretty good ideas. Wow. Take this off. I'll have to do a video on this plate alone. First, I gotta find out what the name of it is. But yeah, this is my little unboxing. I love that plate. So these 2 here were gifted from Debbie and the staff. So thank you very much. I love them. Can't wait to dig my hands into them. And then I got my 4 plates. Which is these here. And then my 2 mats. And 2 bundles of nail polish. The Victorian and the Hollow. And then my 2 brushes. And then my 4 polishes. 2 base and 2 tops. And that's it. I am so excited. I can't wait until I get to use these. So, thank you for watching, and I will catch you all on the next video. Bye.